Hey, I'm Jessi with Common Motor, and I'm going to give you a tour of my 1971 Honda CB350 K3. So I was working in a coffee shop here in town, and Brendan was a regular, and he was coming in a lot and noticed that I had a vintage pickup. And we started talking about vintage bikes, and it piqued my interest. So after a couple of conversations, I headed down to Common Motor to see what they had in their warehouse, and found this baby. Not gonna lie, when I found her, she didn't look too much different. Dusty, a little rusty, but all in all, pretty good. I chose this one out of the other 350 options because it had both of its side covers. It's the only reason. So when I got my bike, I replaced the brakes, I rebuilt the front forks, I replaced the steering bearing, put a whole new bucket and light on it, all new cables, new steering, new handlebar. God damn it. I did the old vinegar trick on my tank. I painted my exhaust pipes because they were pretty gnarly. I did new electrical components like coils, condensers, spark plugs, rebuilt the carburetor. I'm running with AirPods, new muffler, replaced the swing arm bushing, replaced the shocks, new tires. And I replaced the battery as well with one of our beautiful AGM glass mat batteries. So out of all of the things that I changed from stock, there was really only one decision that I made because of function, not fashion, and that was my handlebars. The handlebars on it were original, but they were sitting a little crooked. So I decided to go with our Superbike bars because I liked the way that they sat a little bit lower. Because of my height and build, it just feels pretty comfortable for me. Other than that, I put on new grips because mine were torn. New headlight and bucket. The bucket on mine was actually okay. I just really love our black bucket with the chrome ring. And then I changed the turn signals from original to these bullet turn signals that we carry because I liked that they fit in tighter to the bike. Other than that, I changed the AirPods. This bike did not have the original air filters on it, and that was a financial decision because these are cheaper. So, to be honest, simple gal, like things the way that they were for the most part, but after riding it for a little while, there are a few things that I've noticed that I want to change. One is just I would like to swap over to an LED light. The halogen bulbs are much better than they originally were, but I still can't really see at night, so a little bit brighter light would be better. And other than that, my seat has a crack in it, so when I ride it says, need a new seat pan? I need a new seat pan, that's what they're called. And then when I'm out and about, I don't love that I have to carry my helmet around. So I need a seat lock so that I can lock my little helmet to my ride, not have to carry it, hands-free. Hands-free. Everything, I did everything. So this has been Jessi from Common Motor, giving you a personalized tour of sweet Lucille, my 71 Honda CB350 K3. So don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our newsletter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel down below.